we are facing a catastrophe that is simply colossal. The loss of life and devastation, they are huge and they are widespread. It is very clear that this is climate related. Uh, and for Pakistan in particular, I think this is an occasion to also note that while we are amongst the least contributors to the global carbon footprint, we are amongst the most vulnerable. Just to give a little bit idea on the scale of this calamity, it has impacted over 33 million people. Over 1,100 people have lost their lives, and this includes women and children. Over 1,600 people have been injured. Over 1 million houses have been totally or partially destroyed or damaged. Over 700,000 livestock have perished. And very worryingly, over 2 million acres of cultivated land with crops have been damaged.